Today I'll share 5 easy but profitable businesses that one can start with very little experience or money. Starting your own business can be a rewarding experience because you become your own boss. As a business owner, you decide when and how you work and with whom you work. Above all, you decide how much you get paid. It doesn't get better than that. If you watch this video till the end, I'll share a bonus business idea that will blow your socks off. Without any further ado, here are the 5 businesses you should consider. Business number 1, handyman services. Few months ago, I connected the washer and dryer in our house, but since I am not a pro, surprise, surprise, the water was leaking from the dryer. So I called a handyman to come and fix the issue. And it took less than a minute for him to fix the leak, and the bill, $125 for 1 minute of work. And I thought to myself, wow, what an easy way to make money. So if you are skilled in fixing things and performing home improvement tasks, you can make good money by offering handyman services in your local area. Handyman services include fixing leaky faucets, mounting TVs, hanging picture frames, and assembling furniture. Just but to mention a few. I don't know about where you live, but in my area, demand for handyman services is very high, and it's difficult to find a handyman available without a waiting period of days or weeks. Usually the bad ones are available same day, so there's always a demand for the good ones. If you are professional and good at your job, word of mouth referrals can be a valuable marketing tool for you. We hired a handyman the other time to install new doors and baseboards at our house. He did a fabulous job and the price was very reasonable. Moving on to business number 2, cleaning services. If you are good at cleaning, you can offer house cleaning, office cleaning, or janitorial services to individuals or businesses. Depending on where you live, there is likely a high demand for this type of service in your local area. My family owned a cleaning business for 7 years until we sold the business a year ago. The cleaning business has very few moving parts and it's a very profitable business. Our cleaning business grew very fast when we started asking Google reviews from happy customers. None of our competitors in our area was employing this marketing tactic. So we amassed a lot of 5-star reviews that allowed us to charge more for our services. The only major challenge with the cleaning business is finding reliable employees, especially if you want to grow the business beyond you as a solo cleaner. This should be every business owner's goal, otherwise you own a job and not a business. Let's move on to business number 3, pet sitting or dog walking. My family doesn't have pets, so we have not used this type of business. However, we used to have a neighbor who ran a dog walking business and she was doing very well financially. If you love animals, you can start a pet sitting or dog walking business. Our neighbor was walking people's dogs while they were at work. She took lots of walks throughout the day with various dogs and was reaping the healthy benefits as a result. Isn't that wonderful? To be paid to do an activity that's good for your health and your well-being. This business requires very little investment beyond the basic pet care supplies. I think you should also buy liability insurance just in case one of these dogs goes crazy and bites someone. Moving on to business number 4, landscaping. I ran this business briefly and it was easy money because I didn't have to buy any of the equipment since I had some at home. My major expense was gas for the lawnmower and gas for the car to go to the client's house. If you are good at yard work, you can start a lawn care business. You can offer to mow lawns, trim bushes, or weed gardens for individuals or businesses. It's a relatively low-cost business to start, as you do not need a lot of specialized equipment or training. The equipment needed varies depending on the services you offer, but some basic equipment includes a lawnmower, a trimmer, and an edger. You may also need a truck or a trailer to carry your equipment and materials. Depending on where you live, another business to consider is snow removal. The tools and equipment needed varies depending on how sophisticated you want to be. I have seen people using shovels, snow blowers, or snow plows. My family pay for landscaping and snow removal at our company premises. If you run these businesses well, you can earn very good money. Business number 5, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants assist entrepreneurs and businesses with administrative tasks like email management, scheduling meetings, and data entry. In addition to administrative services, some VAs provide technical or creative assistance to clients such as video editing, graphic designing, or phone screening service. The beauty of this business is you can work remotely and can easily grow the business to serve more clients. This is a relatively low-cost business to start because you only need a computer, internet connection, and a phone to get started. Here is the bonus business idea since you watched the video this far. Instead of starting any of the 5 businesses we discussed here, you can start a middleman business where you connect customers with service providers. Think of Uber connecting riders with drivers, or Airbnb connecting homeowners with guests. You can do the same for the 5 businesses that we talked about in this video. You charge a fee to the service providers for every customer you refer to them. Many small businesses are not good at marketing their services or don't have a marketing budget. This presents an opportunity to anyone who is good at marketing. Sometimes making money can be that simple, folks. So there you have it, friends. 5 businesses that you can start with very little money or experience. Remember, it's very important to research and plan before starting any business. In most cases, it's wiser to register the business and buy the necessary insurance to protect yourself and your business. Last but not least, it's important to be reliable, responsive, and professional. Providing excellent service to the customers builds trust and positive reputation and gets you more referral business. With that, let's go make some money, amigos. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.